Alright, just double checking to make sure I have everything. This bin is for my blankets, pillows, and all that stuff. I have another bin for the kitchen gear, and I'm gonna bring the electric scooter. But this is some of the essentials. Put a filter. Don't use a garden hose. This is one of those actual RV water hose. Go all the way up here, and it goes on my 7-gallon jug. So this is what we get showing up late to camp. Somebody took our spot, but of course we talked to them, asked them nicely that and let them know that the spot is reserved. So they're leaving. They're gonna get grab all their stuff, but I feel bad because they were in the middle of their cooking. But this is what we get coming in late. Alright, camp is pretty much set. This is my new favorite gear. It's from Rainflux. Got this little pumper. Here's some water. What's your name?
Sheree.
And what we're doing?
Make some s'mores.
Making some s'mores, okay. Alright, this is the best part about camping. It's making campfire and s'mores. Yo, this torch is crazy. Alright. Grab some of this. Alright. We're gonna go make some s'mores. Man, I don't know why. I barely put any woods in there. This flame is pretty strong. Trey, you want s'mores?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
Come on. You're gonna make it. Come here.
Don't want to get burned.
Don't want to get burned. You want two? Come here. Come on. Here, you hold it. No. It's okay.
Don't want to get burned.
You're not gonna get Yeah, okay, that's the guy. You're not gonna get burned.
Why is it short?
I forgot the actual stick.
Oh,
This is a thong.
Daddy, want to show me a picture?
It's just, you want to draw a picture? You want to take a picture?
I want to take a picture.
Okay. Oh, this is gonna be delicious.
What is
so
it?
doing this.
Mommy.
Yeah, I think I perfect this.
You want to go near El?
Oh.
This is pretty good.
No. Go.
Pick it up.
Pick it up.
Dad,
Blow
it.
Blow it.
Blow it. Go on, blow it. Good job. You did good. Just heating up some pasta we bought from Olive Garden and get to eat. But it's very useful. Somewhere to stand. And I got some soup over here. But look who came to visit. My brother showed up. Kind of dark. Got the Tacoma. Look at this steak. Let's go. Got some vegetables. Make some eggs. It'll be good. All right, let's go eat. Tayo ngayon. Oh. Tayo doon. Last steak. Oh, man. You eat all the Alfredo?
No, not yet. I couldn't because
Oh,
How is it? Yeah, we're here. Pretty good? Oh my god, let's go. Huh? Yo, that steak is good. Waiting for these vegetables. Morning, everyone. I woke up pretty early. I didn't record the rest of the night because it was getting too late and I didn't want to be loud to the other campers. You good? My wife's rolling. How's the place? Let's see how fast you go. Huh? Oh yeah, you're going downhill, that's why. You're going super slow.
Daddy, do you see the raccoon
No, where?
and the squirrel and the bunny? My day cooking spaghetti. Now going to eat spaghetti. Bye.
I already packed and everything. If you guys watched the whole video, you're the real GOAT. But yeah, heading home. If you guys liked the video,